At Metropolis, we know accuracy leads to trust. For your good health, we bring a comprehensive test menu across India, so you can stay well and stay safe. With Metropolis, test assured, rest assured.
Stress, pollution, toxins, and the sun make your skin tone dark and uneven. Presenting Gluetone 1000 that reduces melanin production to lighten the skin. Give an even skin tone from head to toe with enhanced radiance and overall glow naturally. That's 4 benefits in one. Gluetone, beauty from within.
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with Elan. Never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
The Wadia Group was founded by Lavji Nasarwanji Wadia in 1736 when he started the Marine Construction Company. With its heritage of trust and quality, the Wadia Group presents its real estate business, Bombay Realty. Continuing this remarkable journey, Bombay Realty presents its iconic development, Island City Centre, a mixed-use development designed to redefine luxury living. Once you step into ICC, you will see how Bombay Realty's life-changing ideology, live, work, play. ICC lets you enjoy the ultimate luxury in the chaos of Mumbai.
So this is Island City Centre. Primarily this is a project which is over 23 acres. So if to tell you a bit about Island City Centre, let me give you a history of the company. We are a part of Bombay Dyeing, which is one of the oldest groups in India. Just to give you an idea, it's a 282-year-old company. So Wadia Group was formed 282 years ago, and this whole project was built on a mill land, which is the Island City Centre. The project is of 23 acres, and on 23 acres we have very low density. We will not have more than 1,000 residences. Right now we have a building named as Springs, which is ready. We have a very luxurious lifestyle. In Mumbai, I'm sure you girls would aware, in Mumbai we don't have land. We per se have very less land in Mumbai. So one of the most expensive thing in Mumbai is land. And we as a Wadia Group or Bombay Dyeing, we are blessed with an ample of land in and around Mumbai. So this per se land parcel itself is 23 acres. In this 23 acres, we are just making 5 to 6 stars, not more than that. idea was to not make a claustrophobic development. Idea was not to make a vertical chawl where I just want to fill in people. Idea was when I'm making a luxurious, I'm making a lifestyle product. The idea is not to have a product which will look like a chawl. I understand most of the developers with a small land parcel, they have too many buildings made into it. That's the reason, because the land is not possible in Mumbai. But here in Island City Centre, a 23 acre is a huge land expanse. We are a absolute glass structure. Now I'll tell you what is a glass structure. So basically, if you see around, the whole building is a glass structure, and this kind of designs you normally see in places like Dubai. So if you see Burj Khalifa is a glass structure. Yes, it is.
It's very great quality.
That's amazing, great quality. And the second would be Prison Hong Kong. The reason I'm comparing these projects to you, because it's a futuristic lifestyle. So all of this what we have is a very futuristic lifestyle. It is not for anyone who don't understand style. So basically it's for select few who has gone around the world, who has seen the world around. So very, very futuristic lifestyle. Right now the place we are standing is the podium of my project. The podium itself is close to 80,000 square feet. So let me put it in acres to you. So it's a 2 acre worth of podium. So that's a size of a projects in Mumbai. So my green area, I will show you my green area, my whole podium itself is close to 80,000 square feet. Island City Center Tower 1 and Tower 2 is itself on 7 acres. So that's huge, and you will not find such land parcels in one go in Mumbai.
How tall are the buildings?
So my my ICC1, which has got a configuration of huge 4 BHKs and 3 BHKs, is a 60-story. It's a 57-story building, and my ICC2 is 60-story building. We have simplex, we have duplex, we have only 3 and 4 BHKs. Again, in most of the complexes in Mumbai, just to make the products to be little more price conscious, people make smaller 3 and 4 BHKs. Whereas, yeah, so they look like a matchbox. Whereas our 3 and 4 BHKs are large. And with this recent pandemic, what has happened? The requirement for a larger house, the requirement for an office and working from home has come in. For family. You need your own space when you're working. You need your own family space when you're working.
Everything is online.
Online. So with the new concept of work from home coming up, most of the families prefer working from home. And then where the requirement for a larger flats came in picture. So people are now no more price conscious towards having smaller flats, but they want a flat.
It has to be quantity with quality.
It has to be quantity with quality. And how can a flat 600 square feet be a luxurious flat? Probably a hall size or a main drawing room size of my ICC1 is close to 600 square feet. Just the hall. Forget the bedrooms, forget the bathrooms. So the kind of lifestyle what I want to offer. If you ask, I'm not selling square feet. I'm purely selling lifestyle here. And if you see the size of the pools, if you see the jacuzzi, if you see the gazebos made. Social media ke liye pictures. So if you see the way we have the pools and the jacuzzi design, it's absolutely lifestyle. If you see the expanse of my whole gardens, from this corner to that corner, it's all greenery. So this is all on 80,000 square feet. Now, the complete project has got 2 places on the podium. This is the place where you have a gym, you have a. Let me show you the gymnasium we have. It's one of the best gymnasiums in the vicinity. It's a huge gymnasium. Most of the projects will have a gymnasium over 100-acre gymnasium. Look at the kind of equipments we have got. Obviously, few have been barred to use because of social distancing with the COVID time, but few have been barred. But look at the size of the whole gym, the way it has been made, the whole gym, very spacious. So we don't want people to feel claustrophobic. We don't want people to feel uneasy when they come inside the gym. So that it has been designed by professionals for the best Uber. Can we go to the Scotch Court? Project. So look at the way the Scotch Courts have been made. It's a beautifully done with an international standard. We have professionals coming in from Sports Authority of India, designing a proper squash court for us, the kind of flooring, the kind of height, the viewing deck on the top. So if your family can sit and see, it's one of the best squash courts in Mumbai. This is our sample flat, an actual apartment in ICC1, Island City Centre, Tower 1. This flat is close to 2,500 square feet. So as I said earlier, that we don't have claustrophobic flats, we don't have small matchbox flats, we have huge flats. So if you see, the hall itself is close to 500 odd square feet. The way it has been designed, it absolutely gives you a separate space for your dining, your separate sit out area. And the views, anything above 15th floor, you get a clear sea view from the building. So again, the way the kitchens are being designed, most of the developers or most of the new constructions are smaller constructions. The biggest thing they compromise is your kitchen. And in Indians, where we are not into canned or into freezed food, where we actually cook, ladies who actually cook, they need a space. And this is a look at the space between the kitchen. Look at, there are 2 platforms. Now, what you need is a privacy, what you need is a security. So we have created a separate servant room in your flat, in your apartment, for which there is a separate entrance and exit. So your garbage chute, your vegetable vendors, your house help, your maids, your cleaning people will come in from a lift which is separately meant for them, so they will not mingle with the residents. And they come in from there, they do their work and they go away if they are your visiting mates. And if they are your station mates, they come, they stay here. So if you are outstation, you can just lock this door, so the maid will come, she'll clean and she'll go away. So that takes care of the security, as well as tomorrow you have guests and people coming and walking in, your guest will not be disturbed, your privacy will not be disturbed. That's what. I'll just take you to one of our bedrooms. Now this is an authentic wooden flooring. This is a walk-in wardrobe, and if you see the size of the bathroom, it's huge. We have a bathtub, we have basins for his and hers. So this is a very rare thing which you see nowadays, the size of a bathroom. In most of the developers, this size of their bedrooms.